Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. Today I am going to share with you how to set up Scandit as the barcode scanner in your app. But you may ask, Appsheet already provide a very good barcode scanner. Why we still need another barcode scanner? Well, Scandit provides advanced scanning software, especially in situations where scanning is frequent. When the conditions are not ideal in terms of lighting, or the barcodes you need to scan are challenging, such as damaged, warped, worn, small, and so on. Let me show you how it works. When we click on the barcode icon, Appsheet will auto-turn on our mobile's camera. And we may start to scan the barcode with the mobile camera. If we success to implement the Scandit barcode scanner, we will find the Scandit name at the bottom right of the scanner. Alright, let's start the workshop today. First of all, we are required to apply a Scandit account. Go to this website and fill up the form. And lastly, click the Proceed button to submit the application. You will receive an email from Scandit in a minute. Follow the instruction in the email to activate the Scandit account. Once the Scandit account is activated, then we may proceed to log in the Scandit account and create the access key. This is the dashboard for the Scandit. First, let's add a new project. Select the cross-platform app option, and then select the Appsheet option. Then click the Next button. Enter the project name. Then enter the description. Tick the ID capture option. Then finish. Once the project is created, scroll down. Then click the Copy button to copy the access key. We need the key in our Appsheet account. Let's back to our Appsheet account. Then access to my account. Then click the Integration option. Then click the App Services option. Then add a new app service. Select the Scandit mobile barcode scanning option. Enter a name for the service and paste the copied access key, then save it. The Scandit barcode scanner service is successfully added. Let's implement the service in our app. In our app, click the Manage option. Then select the Integration option, and then the External Services option. Look for a setting called Barcode or QR code scanning service. Then you may find the newly added Scandit service in the drop-down list. Lastly, let's enable the scannable option in the data configuration. Select the column which you would like to turn on the barcode scanning function. The setting now is completed. We may end here today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys at the next video. Bye.